Hi, I'm Henry. In this video, I'm going to show you the Smart Pump series. I'll explain what makes these pumps different, I'll show you the different sizes, and in the end, I'll run one so you can hear just how quiet it is. The range is available in a 0.37, 0.55, 0.75, and a 1.1 kilowatt. So what makes these pumps different? Ever heard of variable speed drive or VSD pumps? A VSD pump adjusts its speed automatically to maintain constant pressure depending on your water demand. Our smart pumps combine VSD technology with a permanent magnet motor. That means that the pump not only adjusts its speed according to your demand, it does so with ultra efficiency, energy saving, and very low noise. These pumps have all the necessary built-in safety features. It also comes with a 1-year quality warranty. But the big question is, just how quiet are they? Let me show you. Quiet, efficient, and built to perform. That's the smart pump difference.